Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites so nothing blocks you later. Install VS Code and the macOS command line tools, then install Python 3, 8 or newer and pip. Once done, open Terminal and run pip3 install Notebook or Jupyter Lab if you prefer. Make sure Python 3 version and pip3 version return expected numbers. Next, launch VS Code and install the Python extension. This extension lets VS Code detect kernels and run cells directly inside the editor. You now open or create a ipinb in VS Code and make sure the right Python interpreter is selected. Use the command palette and choose Python. Select interpreter, then pick the virtualenv, venv, or conda environment that has Jupyter installed. Once the kernel connects, run a simple cell to verify. If you need a new env, create one with Python 3m venv. Venv and pip install Notebook, then restart VS Code so the interpreter appears in the list. You finish by running cells with Shift plus Enter or using the Run Cell button, save the notebook and commit it to version control. To share, export to HTML or PDF via File right arrow export, or run Jupyter and convert to HTML notebook. ipinb. If the kernel won't start, restart it from the kernel menu. If that fails, pip3 install upgrade ipykernel, then Python 3m ipykernel install user, and confirm VS Code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.